Good morning, students. How are you? I'm fine. I hope that you are also fine. Today I'm going to show you a trick. Okay, in this box I have some tricks. Okay, shall we open this and see? In this box I have some trick. I'm going to open this and I'll show the tricks. Okay, here I'll open what you can see. 4 into 25 is 100. Okay, fine. Let it be. Next trick is 2 into 50 is 100. Okay. Next trick is 8 into 125 is 1000. Okay. Next, you know that 2 into 5 is 10. 5 into 20 is 100. What I'm going to do with these numbers? Let's see today. Okay. So today we are going to see something with these numbers. See here, I have the numbers here. So I have 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 2 into 50 is equal to 100. 5 into 20 is equal to 100. 4 into 25 is 100. 8 into 125 is 1000. So these numbers, you just have these numbers in your mind. Okay. Fine. You can remember this with the help of money also. 5 rupee note. 2 5 rupee note makes 10 rupees. 2 50 rupees note make 100 rupees. 20 rupees note, 5 20 rupees note make 100 rupees. Okay. So there is no 25 rupees. 25 pice coin was there. So 4 25 pice coin makes 100 pice. Okay. So this you make it in your mind. 125 into 8 is 1000. So with this, what kind of sum we are going to do in multiplication? Find the product of 2 into 35 into 5. Okay. So for that, what we are going to do is, first you know that 2 into 5 is what? 10, isn't it? So first what you have to write? You'll write 35 into 2 into 10. 2 into 10 is what? 2 into 5 is 10. Is it clear? Previous class, we saw that multiplied by 10, what do you have to do? You ignore this 0 and multiply with 1. So 35 into 1 is 35 and add the 0. So you get the answer. Understand? So why this trick is very useful? So when you normally multiply 2 into 35, you have to multiply. With that answer, you have to multiply by 5. So this takes a lot of time to make it the sum very simple. If you know this trick, you can easily multiply and write it, isn't it? So this will be applicable to certain number only. Okay. Now you are going to answer along with me. Now we studied, isn't it? What we studied? 8 into 125 is 1000, isn't it? So 8 into 125 is what? 1000. So first what you will write? You take 39 and write first, multiplied by this 8 into 125 is what? 1000. Is it clear? Yes. So same rule we studied before. First you have to ignore all the zeros and multiply this number with 1. So 39 into 1 is what? 39. Okay. So, and you can add these 0. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the answer. Is it clear? So one more sum we will do it so that it will be very clear to you. Find the product of 2 into 635 into 50. Okay. So with this, you know that 2 into 50 is what? 100. Isn't it? So what do you have to write first? You have to take and write the bigger number 635 into 100. Very good. Next, what will you do? Ignore the zeros and multiply this with 1. So 635 into 1 is what? 635. And you have to add the 2 zeros here. Is it clear? Yes, isn't it? So in the book page number 54, the filling the blanks is there. Okay. So rest of the sums you can do it by your own. Here what you can do it here, 1000 into 100, isn't it? So first what you have to do, you write 1 into 1 is 1. And count all the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the answer. So this is the way you have to multiply and write it. Okay, is it easy? Okay, fine. Next we are going to see multiplication of larger numbers. Okay, so before classes you would have multiplied 2-digit numbers, isn't it? Now we are going to multiply with 3-digit numbers. Okay, so for this, first we have to write the place value of that numbers. Okay, so first like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, like that you can write and keep. Okay, here this 254 is multiplicand and 132 is multiplier. Okay, so 254 is multiplicand and 132 is multiplier. So after writing this place value, you have to arrange your number in that order. Okay, so 4, 5, 2. So 254 is the multiplicand. Okay, followed by you're going to write the multiplier. So what is the multiplier? 132. 2, 3, 1. Okay, so now we are going to multiply. Okay, so first you have to start with the ones place with the ones place. Understand? So what is in the ones place? 2. So you are going to say the 2 table. Okay, so 2 fours are 8. Straight to the ones you have to write that 8. You should not move here on that side, because when you are adding you will come wrong if you are writing in a wrong place value. Okay, so 2 fours are 8. Next 2 fives are 10. Okay, so this ones place, write it here, and 1 is balance. Okay, so 1 you can write it, carry over 1. Next 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Is it clear? That's all. Next we have finished the ones place. Now we are going for the tens place, so that the ones place should be 0. Again I say, repeat, we have completed multiplying with the ones digit. So that ones place we have completed. So when you are going for the tens place, you have to put first 0. Okay, then you have to start with the third table. Okay, third is tens. Okay, so 3 fours are 12. So 2, balance 1. Okay, balance 1. Next, 3 fives are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So ones place, I'll write it here, balance 1. Okay. Next, 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. There I'll write it. Is it clear? So you have to write straight to that number so that it will be easy for you. So second step is over. Next we are going for the 100th place. So for that what we have to do? You have to start with ones place completed, tens place completed. You are going for the 100th place. So you have to put 2 zeros and start with one table. 1 4 is 4. 1 5 is 5. 1 2 is 2. Is it clear? So we have multiplied with all number. Now we are going to add up to get the product. Okay. So what do you get? So when you add with zeros, you will get 8 plus 0 is 8. Again 8 plus 0 is 8. Okay. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 0 is also 2. Fine. Then 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. So 5 carry over 1. Now what do you have to do? 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 carry over 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Is it clear? Yes, once again I repeat to you. So when you write, you have to arrange first in the place value. You write the place value of that and write the numbers. Then first start with ones place. Next, next after multiplying with ones place, you will start with tens place. There you have to put 1 0. After multiplying tens place, you have to take the hundredth place. There you have to put 2 zeros and multiply. Then add it. Is it clear? So now we are going to do a little bit bigger number. See here, it is 3547. 3547 is the multiplicand and 308 is the multiplier. Is it clear? Fine. So first step, what you have to do? You have to write the place value, isn't it? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. And lakh also, let it be lakh. Okay. Then you have to write the numbers. So write it from right to left. So what do you get? 7, 4, 5, 3. Okay. 3547 multiplied by 308. Okay, fine. I hope you can also take and do along with me. Okay, so first we are going to see 8th table. There is no 0 table. So here 3rd table. Okay, fine. So first we will start with 8th table. Okay, ones with ones digit. Okay, first step. 8 sevens are 56. So put the 56 and 6 here. Carry over 5 is here. Okay. Next, 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 5, 37. So you cancel the ones digit 7 and write it and keep the balance here 3. Okay. Then 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 3 is what? 43. Cancel the ones place, write it soon and keep the balance 4. Okay. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. So directly you can write the 28 here. No more number is there, so directly I can write it. Is it clear? Once more, we will repeat. 8 sevens are 56. Cancel the 6 and write it here, balance 5. 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 5 is 37. Cancel the 7 and 3 is the carryover. Then 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 3 is 43. Write 3, balance is 4. Then 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 4 is 28 and you can directly write this. Next, everything is 0, isn't it? 0 into 7 is 0. So here ones place is not there. So I put 1 0 for the ones place. One place we have completed. Okay. Next you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. How? 0 into 7 is 0. 0 into 4 is 0. 0 into 5 is 0. 0 into 3 is 0. Is it clear? Next, what you have to do? Next, you have to be very careful that you have to put how many zeros? You have completed 2 digits. You are going to 100th place. So, how many zeros? 2 zeros. Very good. So, you have to put 2 zeros. So, what do you get? First, you have to multiply with this 3 into 7, isn't it? So, 3 sevens are 21. 1 carry over 2. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 4 carry over 1. Next, 3 fives are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 6 carry over 1. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay. Fine. Now you can easily add. Okay. So it is 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 7. Here. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Fine. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 2 carry over 1. Here you should be very careful. This 1 you have to add. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. Is it clear? Then there is no any other number. So write 0 and directly you can write it 1. Is it clear? Yes. So like this, you can put any other number and you can multiply and show to your mom. Okay. Now I am going to show you an application question. Okay. Okay. So if something is you want to buy one pencil or you know the cost of one pencil and you want to buy 5 pencil, it means that it is a multiplication. So one thing's rate is given and they are asked for many, means you have to multiply. Here see, one pair of shoe cost rupees 628. Okay. Find the cost of 26 pairs of such shoes. Okay. Like this shoe, that is called as such shoes. Okay dear. So one pair of shoes is 628. So first, before you write, you don't write directly the answer. Okay. So if a statement is given, you also should give the answer in the statement. Okay. So what do you have to write? The cost of one pair of shoes. So what is given, you have to first write that. Is it clear? So that is I have written. Okay. Now we want how many? Cost of 26 pairs. Therefore cost of 26 pairs of shoes is equal to. Okay. So cost of 26 pairs of shoes is equal to. So you have, what do you have to do? Just you have got for one, you have got already the rate. Okay, you have to find it for 26. So just you have to, what you have to do, you have to multiply. That is rupees 628 into 26. Yes. So that is equal to, you can directly write the answer here. So here I will multiply it for you here. So what do you get? You just put ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. Now you take it. This 628. First you write it 628 and 26. Okay. So easily you can multiply, isn't it? 8 6 are 48. 6 8 are 48. Anyway, you can multiply. Okay. 6 2s are 12. Then add it. 12 plus 4 is 16. So first you write, it's 6 of 48. First you write the 80 here and the balance 4. 6 2s are 12. Isn't it? 12 plus 4 is 16. So write the 6 here, carry over 1. Next, 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 1, 37. Directly you can write the 37 here. Is it okay, dear? Fine. Next, we have finished the ones digit, all the multiplication. So put in the ones place 0. Is it fine? 0. Next, you are going to multiply by 2. So what do you get? 2 8s are 16. So 6 carry over 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. Then 6 2s are 12. Is it clear? Then you have to add up. You get to get the product. So what do you get? 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 2 carry over 1. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So 13 carry over 1. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then you get answer. Then nothing is there. So 1. Directly 1. So answer is 16,328. So you have to write the rupees here. Is it clear? Fine. So one pair of shoe cost is given and asked for 26 pairs, means you have to multiply that and get the answer. Okay, fine. I hope you can understand these sums. We will meet in the next session. Thank you, dear.